Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the TeamGroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR4 gaming RAM. So in the past we reviewed many T-Force DDR4 RAM from TeamGroup, but this particular one has caught my eye because of its simplistic look, but yet it has RGB. So this particular model only comes in a single pack, which means we had to buy two 8 gigs to give you a 16 gig kit. It supports speeds of up to DDR4-3200 with memory timings of 16, 18, 18, 38, operating on a voltage of 1.35 volts. There's a couple of things I like about this RAM is that it supports XMP 2.0 profiles as well as giving you a lifetime warranty. So well done TeamGroup. As far as RGB lighting is concerned, it supports the Asus AURA Sync, but I'm interested to see whether it supports the ASRock Polychrome Sync, because that's the motherboard we'll be using it to test this RAM. So but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, so we'll do a quick unboxing of the TeamGroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR4 gaming RAM. There's two sets of 8 gig, giving you a 16 gig kit with a cast latency of 16, 18, 18, and 38, running at 1.35 volts. Alright, let's have a look at what's inside the packaging. So, right, we have a warranty information, 100% tested, with lifetime warranty. Very nice. TeamGroup. And we'll have an installation guide too. So look, here you go. That's about it. And we have a T-Force sticker. Very nice. Okay, cool. And we'll have a look at the RAM itself. So look. Here we have the T-Force, yes, the Delta RGB, nice R symbol right here, looks very nice, I like that. And the spec is 8 gigabytes, DDR4-3200, cast latency 16, 18, 18, 38 at 1.35 volts. Okay, along the top here we have a nice translucent top right here, the strip, which is the RGB, gives you some nice RGB effects. And then top left hand corner here you can see, or the right hand corner, we have the T-Force logo right here, and also here the Delta series with the R, RGB, and I like that little R symbol right here, it looks very racing, huh? Yeah, so they do come in packs of 1, so I've actually bought 2. So it gives you 2 8 gigs, which is a 16 gig kit. Other than that, yeah, let's put these in and see how they look. I'd love to see the RGB effects on these. Let's have a look what else does it say at the back. Ultra wide angle lighting, built-in force flow RGB lighting effect. Aluminium alloy heat spreader with asymmetric minimalist design, supports Asus AURA Sync software synchronization, and yeah, XMP 2.0. So if your motherboard supports the XMP profiles, it'll automatically overclock to the 3200, and it might even go higher. And it says here QVL approved by all mainstream motherboard manufacturers. We'll stick this on the ASRock Steel Legend Z490 motherboard, along with the Intel Core i9 10 and 900K to see how it performs. Yeah, let's put these in and see how it looks. The TeamGroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR4-3200 16GB kit offers solid performance, great aesthetics, and excellent compatibility, thanks to the extensive QVL, which covers a load of motherboards.
We've tested these modules on the ASRock Z490 Steel Ledger motherboard, which seems to work just fine running at DDR4-3200 with the XMP profiles enabled. When it comes to looks, I love the asymmetric, minimalistic design of the black aluminium alloy heat spreaders, which should go well with most system builds. I also love the fact that it supports all the major RGB ecosystems out there, including the Asus AURA Sync, BIOSTAR RGB Sync, Gigabyte Fusion, MSI Mystic Light Sync, and of course the ASRock Polychrome Sync, as well as Razer Chroma RGB and Thermaltake RGB+. Doing our benchmarks, the T-Force Delta RGB DDR4-3200 performed beautifully in all of our tests. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the TeamGroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR4-3200 16GB kit. It comes with some beautiful lighting effects and of course comes with a lifetime warranty. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.